Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we'll see as to what your person is thinking about you. Okay, so I'll be looking at what are they feeling about you, their current feelings for you, what is the obstacle there in the path of this relationship, and then what are they planning to do in the near future. So Scorpios, let's see what is your person thinking about you and what are their feelings about you. Okay, so let's see what's there for Scorpios. Strength. Okay, so these are their feelings for you with the strength. Now let's see what is the obstacle in this relationship. Just see, Hierophant has jumped up. What is the obstacle in this relationship for Scorpios? One card please for the obstacles in this relationship the Scorpios are dealing with. Okay, so we have the Three of Cups as the obstacle. Okay, and let's see what are they planning to do, what is on their mind, what action they are likely to take in the near future. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so with the Strength card being on their feelings, I think this person, they can be, I'll have to take clarifiers for that, but then still what I feel is that this person is being very, very patient. Perhaps they are trying to they are waiting for a commitment from you. Can be that they are dealing with this situation with a lot of strength, patience. Maybe it's been a long time that they are waiting for a commitment from you or a yes from you. It can be that. Okay, so I'll take the clarifiers for that. Why is this Strength card in the feelings for Scorpio's person? Let's see what's there for this. So for that we have the Six of Wands, the Two of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Cups has fallen down. So what I'm getting here is that this person perhaps wants to open up to you, but they are holding back, and that is why it is requiring a lot of strength on their part. This person wants to speak to you. This person views you as their soulmate. They really love you. Okay, and they want to be victorious in this. They really want to have a family and a commitment with you. But the thing is, for some reason, this person is not opening up. It can be because of you, that maybe they don't know your feelings, maybe some other reason. We'll see that in the further cards, but this person is holding back definitely, and that is why this Strength card is there. So they are dealing with a lot of strength, hiding their feelings from you. Maybe they are friend zone. Can be that. Anyway, we'll see that. But yes, but this person has a lot of love for you. They see you as their soulmate. They really want you. They really want victory with you. Okay, but they are holding back. Let's see what's this. What is the obstacle then? What is the obstacle then? Why is this Three of Cups coming as the obstacle for Scorpios? Okay, so for that we have the Chariot, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Wands. So what I feel here is that with the Three of Cups, it is normally talking about parties and celebrations or something with friends and families. So in this scenario, as I said, maybe you people are just friends. Maybe that is an obstacle, that you are not viewing your person, or they are not viewing you more than a friend, and that is why they are holding it back, because they are not very sure as to how will you react when they open up. Okay, it can be that, or it can be a love triangle. It can be anything, and which is coming up as an obstacle in this relationship to progress further. Okay, and for that we have the Chariot, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Wands. So what I feel is that somebody here, this is with the Seven of Wands, what I feel is that this person is not even telling you their feelings, though deep within they want things to rush in, but since it is an obstacle, so the things are not moving forward. Things are not moving forward. Things are going very, very slow. This person is keeping things to themselves. They are not even telling you your feelings. Perhaps they are scared of the fact that you may say no to them. And with the High Priestess and the Chariot together, they are using a lot of intuition, that though they want things to progress further, but I think things are not progressing as fast as they would like them to be, or they would like to speak to you. Okay, because it is an obstacle, I think they are not opening up because of this reason, that they are scared. And in the near future, we have the Eight of Pentacles. So according to that, the action is that they really are working hard, or they are willing to work hard in this relationship to progress further. Let's see why is this Eight of Pentacles here for. So for the Eight of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. So this person is really working hard and is ready to work hard for this relationship and for this commitment. Okay, so this is a person who is very stable. This is a person who is in a position to give you a lot of stability, a lot of commitment, and a lot of happiness in your life. And with the Nine of Wands, this person is working hard since a long time. This person is working hard since a long time, perhaps for you to notice that they have something more in their heart, not only friendship, if that is the reason, or if it is a love triangle maybe, then that is the reason that this person is not speaking up. Okay, but this person is willing to give you a lot of stability, and they are working hard on it. The only thing which is coming here is that you just need to understand and acknowledge that this person is there for you. Things are not moving forward, that's what I feel, because they are not able to communicate to you for some reason. I would like to take something more in this reading. Anything else for Scorpios? Okay, we have the Queen of Cups, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. So they are totally glued to someone. They really find you very attractive. They really love you, but the thing is, they are waiting for you. Somebody here, and just see the Two of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So somebody is waiting for a decision out here. Somebody is waiting for the other person to notice them, perhaps. It's something like that. So Scorpios, that's what your person is feeling for you. You just need to give a second thought to somebody near, whom you just take as a friend, perhaps. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.